G, when you can get your subconscious mind to work for you rather than against you, everything in life will just seem to just go perfectly, and unexpected miracle will happen, and this opportunity will pop up, and that thing will go straight to plan, and you'll get this idea that could be your $1 million idea, like, because your subconscious mind produces so much of our experience. Whereas if your subconscious mind is still loaded with the stuff that maybe you were taught from a young age, money's the root of all evil, people like us can't afford stuff like that, rich people are bad, those people are crazy, and that's stupid, and this is right, and this is wrong, and this is the way we have to do it, and this is what we can't do. Or even like, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough. All of these things that we might consciously as adults think, oh no, I don't believe that anymore. But if your subconscious mind is still operating from that story, then that's why, with all your best efforts on a conscious level, your subconscious mind still might feel like it's self-sabotaging you. So this is why it's so powerful that we are doing this. So I recommend reading your scripting letter every day and every night for 30 days, and then just let it go. Then just release it. It is done. Forget about it as best as you can, but it's not like a requirement that you have to forget, okay? What I just mean is that if you knew that it was done already, how would you feel?